Welcome all! The Elliots are known for many things. Class, tenacity, currently being alive.
Well-timed giggle.
This isn't anywhere in the Eye of Terror. Mortals. I think we have a more jarring problem at the moment. Silica animus.
Oh, looks like we have some uninvited guests to the gallery.
Silence, machine! By the will of the Emperor, your heretical existence is to be ceased this instant.
Quite rude. Who are you to say what happens to the exponential N?
We are the Astartes of the Grey Knights chapter. It is our birthright and duty to protect the Imperium of Man from the horrors of the universe, you of which, man of iron, are one. Your kind are forbidden to live. For you to exist is an insult to humankind. You are an abominable intelligence. From this moment onwards, you will feel the wrath of the Emperor's angels. You will be exterminated. Get out now, citizens. We will have to deal with you later.